Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Amiza. So today I'm going to be doing some unboxing and review of the brand new notebook from Notebook Therapy, which is the Tsuki bullet journal. I hope I pronounced it correctly. Let me start this review by saying thank you to Notebook Therapy for giving me this notebook to try. It comes with two designs, which are the pink sakura and also mint matcha, and of course I opted for the pink sakura, but both of the designs are absolutely gorgeous in my opinion. I am comparing the size of this notebook with my current bullet journal, which is the Scribbles That Matter, and as you can see, it is a little bit smaller compared to the standard A5 size. This notebook comes with handcrafted vegan leather cover, no index, but that's really not a big issue since I do not really use index. They also give you some free sakura stickers with this sakura design. Looking at this notebook features, it has 160 GSM ultra thick white pages and a total of 128 pages, which means less pages as compared to the standard notebooks that I usually have. But that is something you can expect with the super thick pages. And yes, I said pages a lot in this sentence. It also has one bookmark ribbon and, as usual, one back pocket. They also mentioned in their website that we won't see any bleeding and ghosting with this notebook, so we are going to run some pen tests to see how good the paper really is. I start off the pen test with my standard fine liners, which are the Staedtler Pigment Liner 0.3 and 1.0. I don't personally think it will bring any ghosting and bleeding from these fine liners, but just to make sure, I then go ahead and use my Crayola Super Tips, the Staedtler 3 Plus Fine Liner, Vibra Mine Liner and Matte Liner Brush, Pentel Foot Touch Pen, Sakura Pigma Brush, Artline Sticks Brush Pen, Tombow Dual Brush Pen, Artline Supreme Brush Marker and Artline Supreme Metallic Marker, Stabilo Boss Highlighter, Sharpie, and of course some watercolor. As you guys can probably tell by this video, the only thing that shows through is from the Sharpie marker, but it is not that crazy as I usually see on my other notebooks. So here you can see me trying to do some damage to these pages where I actually applied multiple layers of some of the pens that I usually use just to see if I can get the page to bleed. As you can see, when I flip the page, there is still no bleeding from these pens. The only thing that kinda show through is from the Artline Supreme Metallic Marker, but overall I am very impressed with the paper. In conclusion, I give this notebook 4.9 out of 5. The only thing that bothers me is the fact that some pages don't stay flat, but it's definitely predictable with the super thick paper. So if you are considering, I highly recommend you to get one. I think that it is definitely worth the money. I personally fall in love with the cover page design, the rose gold edges, and I'm not lying when I say I smiled the entire time of the unboxing process. Now for the highlight part of this video, I decided to host an international giveaway for 3 lucky winners because I really like this notebook and I'm pretty sure you guys will like it as much as I do. So all you have to do is subscribe to my channel and comment down below if you have. This giveaway opens internationally and it is sponsored by Notebook Therapy. Please also follow Notebook Therapy on their Instagram account. The link is in my description. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll put the link of this notebook in my description. Let me know if you like this video and I'll talk to you again in my next video. Bye bye.